just using my metal detector right here. As you can see, I've got it on pinpoint mode right now. So there's a change. As I go over, it makes noise. When I leave, it doesn't. So pinpoint mode, it detects up to 12 inches deep. And that's one of the modes. Pinpoint mode, there's also 4 other modes. So if you come over here, I've got it lit up. You can turn the light off. I'm going to turn it back on. You can adjust the sensitivity right here. So you can make it so it's more sensitive or less sensitive right there. I'm going to put it into the middle for purposes of the video. And then you've got these various modes. So you got all metal mode, which is going to be all the different metals. From here, you can sort of change out. This is different metals where it only detects certain metals that you want it to detect. You've got memory mode where it can sort of detect like one metal. And then you got jewelry where it takes out the first point and it only detects the last metals. So waterproof, you can adjust the entire thing to make it shorter, smaller. This adjusts. You got this nice arm thing that adjusts up or down. This thing adjusts up or down. And then, the last thing, two things is comes with these headphones. As you can hear the noises that I was showing you in the beginning, you can also not have it play out loud where it just plugs in and you just wear the headphones. And it's only playing in your headphone. But once you find the metal, come in here. You got your nice shovel right here. Screw it in, take it out of the case, screw it in. And you're ready to dig up what you found. And once you're done, pack it all up in the case, everything. And it fits all in this case as you break that down. So pretty sweet. Gets nice and compact. Highly recommend.